I'm Emil Somekh. I'm the CEO and founder of SolidCAM. SolidCAM today is the leading CAM solution, seamlessly integrated and associative to the leading CAD SolidWorks. We're also integrated in Solid Edge and also in Inventor. So we believe we have the best CAM integrated in the best CAD. Our customers obviously are CNC manufacturers. They have the CNC machines from all levels, from 2-axis, 3-axis, 5-axis, mill turn, Swiss. And we need to give them a CAM product that they could program this machine, and this is our SolidCAM solution. Inside SolidCAM, we have simulation. We simulate the toolpath that we generate. But there is another step called the post-processor to customize the output of the toolpath specifically to a specific CNC machine. And the post-processor does change it. So if the owner of a $500,000 CNC machine want to be sure that the G-code routing from the first processor doesn't cause a problem in his machine, he should use a G-code simulator, and that's Vericut.
So with Vericut, we have a very close partnership since 6 years. We started as SolidCAM to be very active in the mill turn segment, so not the easy 3-axis machines anymore, so the very high complex 2-3 channel machines. Whenever we are going in that very complex space of mill turn machines, we are partnering with Vericut because it's the only company that can reliably simulate those machines. We have now a very special project together with DMG MORI and Vericut. We machined a very big titanium rim, and the first time we were using Vericut Force, and it helped us cutting down the cycle time by more than 20%. We have tools like 400 millimeters long, which are not easy in titanium, and Vericut Force help us to reduce the cycle time and also to increase the tool life dramatically. Yeah, look, so if we create tool paths, first of all, you are going to cut the titanium rim cheaper. You're faster, less tool wear, you are very protected in terms of having a crash, because Vericut obviously is in a sequence simulation, and at the end you're getting there faster, and this is, I think, what counts now in the industry to make parts cheaper in order to compete also with other markets.
We have worked with Vericut around 6 years, and the relationship started very strongly in Germany. First of all, when the operator does the checking with Vericut, he's much more sure to run to the machine, so the operator will be much more productive. Second of all, you lose a lot of money if there is a crash, so from productivity and from preventing crashes, having Vericut is very important. Especially, SolidCAM is very strong for mill turn and Swiss machines. And these are the most complex machines. And for them, you need Vericut because they give the best G-code simulation for mill turn and Swiss machines.
If the parts are getting more complex, if the parts, for example, like the titanium rim, are big and very expensive, you want this extra layer of protection. And the parts right at the moment, if we talk about Swiss type, usually they have batches with 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 parts. Now they have batches of 10, and you have to make a new setup on the machine about 2 times a day. You don't want to do any more hand corrections and don't have a crash, obviously. At the end, if you want to machine your parts faster, more protected, for me, you need a cooperation like SolidCAM and Vericut because you need to compete with different markets out there. So for me, it's not acceptable to not use it.